like a toddler, crying for mom's breast milk. I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace. I quickly interjected, honey, what's wrong? And she yelled, get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies. You all take love for a game. She say, I hate men forever. Should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put a bullet in his brain. Baby, whoa. I take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not going to understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So he had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp in the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt. Later started attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion, or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? The bitterness, sad reality. I must look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. Tell them precisely. It's a great way to get through all the sunshine will make hay. Never stop.